Yes, oh, come on, come on.
Oh, this is crazy. We're getting ready to go out and paddle and check out all the logs. Yep, this is where we're gonna launch from, and we're gonna need to move a few logs out of the way. Excuse us to go out and paddle. The water's brown from all the sediment from the storms. And we're off, passing by all the cool rocks, some granite boulders. We are making our way up the river channel. Let's check out the house up on the cliffs there. Nice lake view. Little sketchy. You've got all those motorboats out here, and amidst the logs, big pieces of bark, branches. I've been warned to be careful that they can swim out and get me. They're making some noise. This is the first time I've seen cattle grazing at Folsom Lake. I'm thinking, is this lake clean? Boats are allowed, swimmers, livestock. As we paddle by the cattle, we're headed toward Auburn. Rattlesnake Bar is about 3/4 of a mile ahead of us. Very gray day out today. We've got the very gray sky with a storm moving in tomorrow. All these gray rocks and gray water. This would be more typical of a February paddle. Hard to believe it's mid-March. Boy, it's amazing how quickly things change out here. I've got my jacket and hood on. We've turned around and we're paddling into the wind. I'm cold. I'm gonna stop and put my socks on. Yeah, in this cove, not a lot of wind, but yep, gonna get the socks on. Get ready for the battle. 4 miles back upwind. Now I'm all bundled up. Jacket, hood, hat, waterproof socks. Doesn't seem windy in this cove, but this is just a little break. We're gonna go back out into the main channel. Okay, we're gonna get off here and go explore the little creek and the old canal. There's us parked in our little cove. Wow, this is exactly what I've been looking for out here. This is the very start of the lupine blooms. We are catching the very first ones. This is so cool. Look how pretty they are, and soon, look at that. It's gonna cover the whole area. I'm predicting a super bloom this year because of all the storms. And over here we saw a little creek coming in. We've never stopped at before. So we're gonna check it out. Whoa, look at that rock. That little one on the left. Okay, I am up on the big rock wall. This is so cute. We got a little creek coming in here. Teeny tiny waterfall. I'll take any kind of waterfall. I love waterfalls. Anyway, this big rock wall that kind of got our attention, up on it now, and I can see sides of the old canal wall. Well, it's even reinforced with some metal. And so the canal would have taken water from upriver, let's say like up near Auburn, and then it would have gravity fed all the way down here to the larger cities. So this is just a piece of something that used to be much more significant, and now it's just a relic, just a piece of history. whenever this was built, these are some pretty large boulders that were put in place to basically protect this canal. So you can see there's the side of the canal, and now I'm down in it. Ooh, look at these clouds. So low. The storm's pushing through, and we're gonna squeeze through between a little island here. Hello, geese. Well, we're just about back to our launch spot out at Doton's Point. The weather has gotten stormier by the minute. Seen lots of hikers along the shore of the lake, some equestrians. We went out 4 miles and back, so a total of a little more than 8. I'm feeling it. Yeah, made it back. Doton's Point. There's the car. There's the very bumpy road we came down. And now I just gotta make my way through these logs. Yeah, 8.5 miles. First paddle of the season. Not too shabby. Sweet. Thanks for watching. We'll catch you next time.